Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya Talking Bot. Today's lesson is titled Integrating LLMs with Other AI Models. A hybrid approach. Imagine LLMs like super-powered autocomplete. They predict the next word in a sentence. But on a massive scale. They can write stories, answer questions, translate languages, all based on the massive amounts of text they've read. As developers, we can use their predictive power to build amazing apps. Besides LLMs, there are AI models that understand images, like identifying objects in a photo, audio, like transcribing speech, or even predict numbers, like forecasting stock prices. Think of them as specialized experts in different areas. Imagine having a team, an LLM writer, an image recognition expert, and a data analyst. Each does their part, making the whole team much more powerful than any individual member. This is a hybrid AI system, combining different AI models to achieve more than any could alone. Let's say we want an app that automatically describes images. First, an image recognition model identifies objects in the image, like cat, sitting, on, mat. Then, an LLM takes this information and generates a descriptive caption. A fluffy cat is sitting comfortably on a woven mat. Let's build a chatbot that can understand images you send. You send a picture of your dog. An image recognition model identifies the breed. The LLM then uses this information to respond. That's a beautiful golden retriever. Single quote. As developers, we use APIs, application programming interfaces, to talk to these different AI models. It's like sending them messages with instructions and getting their answers back. We then use programming to combine their outputs into something useful. Integrating different models can be tricky. We need to carefully design how they communicate and manage errors. The accuracy of the whole system depends on the accuracy of each individual component. Hybrid AI is a rapidly growing field. As AI models improve, we will see even more creative and powerful combinations, leading to innovative applications in various industries. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.